class 7. Welcome you to the online class of agriculture. I'm Abhijit sir. Last day we have started revision of chapter 2 because already we have finished our topic from third term syllabus. Now it is revision chapters and started with chapter 2. Today we will do second lesson from chapter 2, and as we have started chapter 2, that is about agricultural technology. Last class we have done about irrigation and advantages of irrigation. Today we will know different methods of irrigation. So let's start today's session. Irrigation is done in different methods in our country, which is depends on the type of crop plant and soil of crop. Obviously, again, it's not only depends on crop plant or soil of crop, it also depends on source of water and type of crops. On that basis, there are different types of irrigation in our country. Let us see some method of irrigation. First of all, that is flood irrigation. For flat type land and water is drawn from near from the sources, and it can be pond, canal, river or other reservoir which is very near from the crop field, and in this method water is flown through channel to the crop field. That means direct from the resource to the crop field, a channel is made and water is flown on that channel. Using this irrigation method, we can irrigate large area within short time, and channels or furrows are needed on the field. It is used in the field where crops are cultivated in broadcast method, so labor cost and time saves. Now let us see the second irrigation method, that is furrow irrigation. It is very beneficiary method for the crops which grow in lines, and furrows are dug in between plant lines toward the slope of plot. That is, if we plant the plants in lines, then furrow irrigation should be followed, and furrows should be made between the lines of plants where the slope is going on the plot. Furrows of length and depth are depends on topology of length of plot. Water can deliver and it is very easy to regulate, and there is no possibilities of logging water in the plot. It can irrigate the whole plot systematically, and water loss is minimized following this irrigation method. Our third irrigation method is border irrigation method. In this process, total field is divided into small blocks and water supplied to each blocks from main channel. Main irrigation channel is connected to all blocks, that means all are connected. Main channel and blocks are connected through all blocks, and the main channel is situated in a higher position. Excess water is drained out in this method. Water management is easy and less waste of water because the remaining water is drained out in this process. So possibilities of less wastage of water in this method. Next irrigation method is circular irrigation method, which is actually followed in fruit orchard. That is, only we have to irrigate this tree or irrigate at the bottom of the tree. That's why the big channel is dug between two or three lines, two, two tree lines, and a circular furrow is dug at the bottom of the plant, keeping the foot of the plant at the center. In this method, loss of water is less and it is very easy to manage. Last but not least, the irrigation method is sprinkler irrigation method, which is followed to irrigate seed beds, plotted plants, grass lawns, ornamental plants and leafy vegetables. This is similar like rainfall. In our country, sprinkler irrigation is followed to watering the seed beds of plant using watering cans. So these are the irrigation methods used in our country. So if you have any problem related to this topic, let me know in the comment section. And boys, please try to submit all of your classwork and homeworks in time, and you should very careful about your health. So be safe with your family. In the next class, we will discuss another topic from this chapter. Till then, stay safe. So bye from today.